Okay, so going to keep this intro quite short, guys. As the title suggests, I had my biggest loss today so far, and yeah, it was a pretty monumental error of judgment, really, and yeah, a sort of playlist of what not to do, if you like. I just didn't manage it well at all. So trading software didn't pick up all the trades I did today either. So yeah, I wasn't too happy about that, because there were a couple of half decent ones in there that it didn't catch as well. But ironically, it caught the absolute clanger. So you'll see that in this video, and it's good to see, really, because it's exactly what you shouldn't do. And yeah, the P&Ls at the end still managed the green on the day, which by all accounts I'm quite pleased with, because yeah, I didn't think I'd be able to turn it around after that. So yeah, interesting video, guys. Happy to hear any sort of comments you might have, especially with the clanger one. And yeah, we'll crack on with the videos. Okay, so this favourite, quite short price, it's just steamed in all the way down to 172. It happened quite quickly, and it literally pushed this second favourite straight out over the 4. It's had a bit of a retracement, but I'm just interested to see if this support continues. If this breaks back through the 4, then that could stop it, but it's pushing through. I'm going to get on this favourite. It's just this. It's got opposition from 3, but I think it could come back in again. Just going to take that out. I'm a little bit nervous there. I might not need it to be. Let me get back in. Yeah, here's the money coming now. You can see how jumpy it is. Yeah, I think I might be better trying to get just take a little bit out here. See if we can get a fiver out of it, just below this where it's traded before, and this is shot right out. Is it going to get through this? Just going to take a little bit more out. Yeah. Just going to take that out of there. So it could come back in again. I don't know where it's lining up. I've got out too soon again. Yeah, it's just bouncing up and down here. I'm thinking I might just leave that there. Again, didn't execute that the best, but it was a bit jumpy. I think that's it there, but yeah, I'm not going to trade the line up here. I'm just going to get out there. Okay, it's a bit early to this one, but yeah, I thought it was quite a good looking market, to be honest. You've got this short price favourite here, but it's not without opposition with ladder 2 and ladder 3. I've put a little stake in at the crossover there. I won't be too disappointed if it gets matched. So I did envisage maybe a little bit of a drift there. and it has been through. It's been through the 2.0 already. Ooh, yeah, and that's why getting in early can be dangerous. You saw that massive stake come in then. Just going to give it a little bit more time to settle. Fucking hell. I'm going to get out there if I can. Okay. I should have really give that a bit of a chance to. Just saw that massive stake come in. It's threw these two out a little bit, but I think there could be a retracement here. We got out too soon. Yeah, the market was a little bit nervous there. I'm gonna get in on the low side again there before the 2 minutes, and I could be opening myself up to a bit of a paste in here, but I'm just a little bit nervous here, but I think these could provide some opposition. Is it going to keep going? Ladder 3 is not doing me any favours here. I'm just going to get out there. Look how fucking jumpy this is. I'm just going to try and get in on this one. Is this going to bounce back down? Fucking hell, that jumped. That big massive jump in money was really fucking hurt. I'm just going to get on the low side here, just because of the lineup. So I don't think I'll be able to recover this, but I might just be able to claw a couple of ticks back. Am I going to be able to get up for a little bit less of a loss here? This one's still pushing. I'm just going to. It's fucking massive loss, that is. Made a right fuck up of that. That is, yeah, really fucking disappointing. Yeah, I learnt the big lesson there. Thought that crossover was quite safe, and yeah, that big chunk of money come in. And I held on too long. I thought there might be a little bit of a market correction, to be honest, but yeah, not happy with that. Yeah, so just trying to regroup really. After that last race, that was pretty tough. So yeah, I'm not sure what to make here. I think this favourite's quite strong, and these have got crossovers, but you can see this has drifted a hell of a long way, so can that continue? Just looking at this, I want to get in there if I can. I'm just going to get out there. This broke through, I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, I'm glad I did get out there. It's bouncing. Just keeping an eye on here. This would have been the best one to trade, I think, around the 6, because these two are just going to bounce off each other and rip up and down. So yeah, I'd like to see a 2v1 here, but it's very much a 1v1. We're going to get this over the 3. This is really pushing. I'm just not trusting that. Almost got in there. I'm trusting it now. Just got in for a quick. That should get matched. Okay, just nipped in there now. Appreciate it's bigger stakes than what I usually use around about the 3, but I probably could have let that go for a tick or 2 more. It's obviously the lineup's played a part there, but I'm happy to get out with that. It's again another jumpy market. Okay, so this market here, fairly short price favourite. It looks quite competitive with the first four in the market. Albeit this one's been fairly weak all day. This one's starting to sort of push on the bottom of its main traded range. This one's drifted out to the 10. Yeah, I'm keen to get in a lay on this favourite here. And the problem is this one's coming down to the 4, so it has got that barrier. We could really do with this one breaking back through the 10, and this one obviously having a bit of a retracement as well. Anything else that could come in to give a bit of a hand would be welcome, but it does seem like at the minute this might want to drift. This is just sitting there waiting, it looks like. So the 2-minute mark's coming. This will be the tell time here. Just watching him in the paddock, hoping he plays up a little bit. This is coming down to the crossover. Is this going to get through? And that's key. It has. It's broke through. Can this break through? And we might get in again. Let's come back to us a little bit here. Yeah, this really pushed through the 4. This is still quite strong though. Is it going to have a retracement now? This was really fucking strong. I was expecting a little bit more of a movement from this. Need this to get going, really. I've got a feeling this might come back down now. This one's slowed a bit. Could do with another push on ladder 3. Yeah, is it worth... Nothing else is really helping, it's just sort of ladder 3 at the minute. It's just pushing again. Yeah, I might just try and take a little bit out there. I wish I fucking left it. This has really pushed in. This is starting to push. Yeah, I'm just gonna let this play out a little bit. I'll just put an exit stake up there, just in case it drifts up. Ladder 2's fucked off. This can't go anymore, surely. Yeah, I'm thinking I might have to try and get out of this now. Looks like it's lining up at the front. Yeah, I'll just get out of there. Again, it's not a spectacular profit, but there wasn't a lot of risk there either. This would have been a better one to back, to be quite honest. But hindsight's 20/20, as they say. Yeah, I'll leave that there. Okay guys, needless to say, it's been a fucking battle today. And yeah, I'll just top it all off. I've just gone to check my screen pal, and yeah, some of my trades haven't saved for whatever reason. So yeah, it's pissed me off a little bit, because yeah, consequently the big shitty loss was one of the ones that that stayed in. But yeah, it's probably for good reason, really, that I show that. But I think that threw me off a little bit. So started off with a loss, which I wasn't too worried about. Sort of pulled that back in the next race, and then yeah, this race just really threw me off. And yeah, it was kind of nervous trading, if you like, for the rest of the day. Caught a half decent move on that one. I think that was the Elliott runner that was a short price favourite, so I actually managed to get that one right, and caught that in and added to the trade a couple of times as well. So it would have been only for £52 stakes, but it would have been quite good to show that one, to be fair. So yeah, and then yeah, just some smaller ones, but as I say, real battle. Got that one wrong on Galopin des Champs. Again, I can't show it because it hasn't recorded. I got that one wrong at first. I was on the backside of it, and then I had to exit my position and jump on the lay side. And yeah, it drifted out. It drifted out a fair few ticks, to be fair, but I could have done a lot better on it. Probably could have got a couple of quid out of that, to be fair, but I exited. Pretty much just when it went past. I think it was like a £2 loss or something, and I exited when it went up over and got in the green, and I left it alone then, because as I say, my head's a bit fried today. So I'll get this downloaded from Betfair and put it up on the P&L sheet, and then yeah, that'll finish this weekend's trading. But I'll probably do a separate video on this big loss as well, just to sort of talk through some of the points and just point out exactly how shit I managed that. But yeah, I'll leave this here. I'll be back with the spreadsheet, guys. Okay, so attempt number 2 at doing this. The last one didn't save, so I didn't save the spreadsheet, opened it back up again, so hopefully this works now. Let's just open that up. We'll filter in yesterday's and today's results. Okay, so as you can see, I've increased the profit again. I think we were around about 80 odd quid last week, so yeah, about another 23, 24 quid this week. Overall, gotta be happy with that. If we come into the horse racing tab here, yeah, you can see we've traded 126 markets now. Average loss has jumped up a bit, but I'd expect that with that big loss put in from today as well. So yeah, I'm just trying to, yeah, that's that one there. Horrendous race. Maybe I'll just leave novice hurdles alone going forward, But yeah, I was in a fairly decent position with the novice hurdles until that big loss there. But look, it happens. I'm not going to stew on it too much. I'm a little bit disappointed with myself, obviously, but yeah, I just got to wipe my mouth and get on with it. So overall, say pretty good. Yeah, going into the last weekend, next weekend, I was hoping I might have been able to get maybe 15 or 20 quid today, really, and try and aim for around about 150 to close the weekend off next week. If I could get profit, I'm being quite presumptuous there, but yeah, I'd say quite happy overall. Bit disappointed with today, but yeah, shit happens. Okay, I'll see you on the next video, guys.